Hello, Michael Spanks here, Learning Specialist of Lehigh Carbon Community College. Welcome to 60 Seconds to Success. Today we're going to be looking at calendars versus planners. They're not the same, in my mind. You need them both, from my perspective. I would encourage you to have both, right? These can be electronic, or they can be physical, or it can be a combination of those two. Calendars allow you to see the bigger picture. See clump points, aka when multiple assignments are due, and help you look at future plans. They also can help you remind yourselves when birthdays or other events are, right? Planners are day-to-day things. They can allow you to script activities, track actions, and more. Particularly allows you to schedule things like from 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. I'm going to review my math materials, right? It allows you to kind of script what you're going to be doing each day so you can be successful. College is going to force you to get organized. Like it or not, to be successful here, you got to get organized, right? Remember, you're going to need to make use of calendars and planners to have a chance to be successful here. Reach out to us if you need any help, and I am out of time.